Hey guys, there's a possum out here.
Possum? You better go do something about that.
Oh, don't you worry, Mimo. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it, Mimo. I'll teach you better to exist, possum.
Unfortunately, this situation is all too common in today's society. And that's actually not surprising, given the attitude around the environment nowadays.
Environmental protection, what they do is a disgrace. Every week they come out with new regulations. They're making it
Who's
impossible.
going to protect the environment?
We'll be fine with the environment. We can leave a little bit.
Well, the sad truth is that we already have only a little bit left, and we should save as much of it as possible. I found this baby possum all alone, injured, and without his mama. If he didn't starve, he definitely would have been killed by a cat, a dog, or been killed by a human that hates possums. But why do people hate possums so much? Besides the fact that they are adorable, here are some fun possum facts! The Virginia possum is the only marsupial found in North America. They have resistance to rabies due to their low body temperature, and also have resistance to snake venom. Pretty cool. They also eat a ton of ticks, decreasing the spread of Lyme disease. Alright, I see some of you are not convinced by my fun possum facts. Well, let's take a look at this little guy's situation. He's a little baby, scared, alone, and in pain. Where's Mama? Is she coming back? Hello? Hello? Anyone? If you still don't feel sympathy for this little dude, I diagnose you an asshole. So what became the fate of this baby possum? Well, I scooped him up, put him in a box, and got a hold of my local wildlife rescue organization. Luckily, they were able to take him. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of us taking him there, but I did call them back a week later.
Wildlife Rescue, this is David. Can I help you?
Hi, David. I dropped off a baby possum there last Wednesday, and I was wondering if it was possible to get an update on it.
Well, let's see. There's like 1,000, you know?
Yeah.
A possum come into our hospital this year. Well, let's try your name. What's your last name?
So it'd be...
There's like a whole page of them. How many did you bring?
Oh, man, nah, I just brought one, man.
What's your first name?
That'd be...
Okay, now I've got one.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Initial care. Oh, you know what? It weighed 140 grams.
Okay.
Juvenile. Alert. Mucus moist, color pink. Dehydration none. Body condition reasonable. Okay for release upon arrival. It says they've already let him go.
Really? Yeah, because he was a little guy when I brought him in.
Well, oh, you know what? I don't know that he was released out into the wild. He was probably released into one of the enclosure areas.
Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's protected there.
Cool.
You know, he's in there with about 10 or 15 other opossums.
Okay, yeah, I was just making sure, like, he was able to be saved and he didn't have to be, like, put down or anything.
He wasn't put down at all. No, there's nothing wrong with him. He's doing good.
Okay, perfect.
So,
All right, cool. Well, I mean,
I'm glad. I'm happy to talk to you.
yeah,
Thanks for calling.
that was good info. Thank you very much.
Tell all the humans, lay down their meat cleavers, and tell them that the possum prevents Lyme disease. 'Cause I saw a possum, now I understand. I saw a possum, and the possum saw a man.
Neato. There is one question that we haven't answered yet.
Who's going to protect the environment?
Who's going to protect the environment? Who's going to protect the environment?
Or maybe I have answered it. We do need government to step in and protect the environment. Contrary to popular belief, we only have a little bit of it left. But in the end, we all need to step up and do it too, even if it's only for a baby possum. Thanks for watching. If you like possums, give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already.